everybody, welcome back to another video. This is a video for our air compressor powered spaceships and rocket ships and planes. I am going to see if I can speed run a build from scratch, and we'll see how fast that goes. So I have Fusion already open here, and what I'm going to start off with is a 3x3x3 cube. So I will just create a rectangle, center point, 3x3, and then I'm going to finish that and extrude it 3 inches, symmetric, that way it's truly centered. So I just click extrude, where it says one side, I click symmetric, and then I clicked where it says measurement, whole length, and 3 inches. So it's 3 inches, it's truly like a fully centered cube, which is like our limit. It should not be any bigger than this. This is your limit on size. So I have already downloaded a picture of a spaceship onto my profile, which you should remember, we go into the Rubik's Cube, we upload the photo into your personal portfolio. I am going to use a spaceship for this one. I did a fantasy one before, and now I'm going to do a real one. So this is the USS Ares. If the shape wasn't here, my Cartesian plane is here. There we go. These 3 orange planes, I could use them if I wanted to. There's absolutely nothing wrong with drawing on the Cartesian plane. It's just centered. But I am going to draw on one of these 3 faces for right now. I might use the Cartesian plane here in a minute. So this is the USS Ares. Let's spin this around 90 degrees. I'm going to rotate my view here. And actually, something that I discovered, which is really cool, I feel like, I'm going to click OK. It's not the right size. So I'm going to click Canvas on the left here, right-click USS Ares, click Calibrate. And what I can do here is I can put 2 points. I'm going to put a point there. I'm going to put a point in the same horizontal plane right there. And it says, hey, this is 1.34 inches. How big do you want it to be? Well, I want it to be 3 inches because that's my size limit. And I'm going to then edit the canvas and move it, because now it has the size. It fits it perfectly. So I thought that was pretty exciting to learn that. Now that I have my shape here, I am going to create a sketch on this shape on the side of the cube, and I'm just going to draw a line. So this is probably the part where I'm going to fast forward and speed up, and I will see you when I see you, I guess. On my side there, you know what? This is really good. This is a good concept, Joe. And if that's what Future Zones was thinking was this video, unfortunately, there's a good sound out there. Hey, you know, voiceover, what are you doing, Future Zones? Are you sitting there too lazy to actually do anything with the content? You just want to ask or do something? Whack. Try to avoid the game there. You know, like, you want to bounce it again, right here. Very good, avoid that. Alright, that's good. That's good. One here. I think that's it. So let's save. That is the bane of every engineer's existence. Oh, and then I have to make a shape outside of this. There we go. There's my shape. I'm going to turn off the canvases for the moment. Look at that bird of shape. You'll get lost. Then I extrude. Select everything that is not the USS Ares. To turn the bodies back on. Go to this view so I can see everything. Cut the USS Ares. And now it looks cool from the right. That's about it. Now I need to do the same thing for the back and for the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the canvases back on, but I'm going to turn off this canvas. I'm going to insert a new canvas. It's to be the exact same one. NEM files, USS Ares. Now, I could select the top part here, but there's no guarantee that's flat necessarily. I know it's probably flat, but if you don't know if this part's flat and you don't want to like accidentally draw on a curved plane and then it all looks slightly off and it's like uncanny valley, you can't figure out why it looks weird, then just zoom out until your Cartesian plane is larger than your shape. Right click the bottom side there. And then we'll do the same thing here, where we'll start to line it up. Click OK. I'm going to turn off my body so I can see the shape better. I'm going to calibrate this this point to, where's the center? There's the center. There. It's pretty centered. 3 inches. Turn the bodies back on. Let's edit this canvas. We're going to move it to about there. About there. Perfect. All right. So you see how that's starting to take shape here? We have the side profile, we have the top profile. Now, I'm going to just create a sketch on the same flat plane that the drawing is on. And honestly, I don't have to have the body here to do this, so I could just turn it off. Now, I have to remember which one I chose, so it's the left one, because I didn't edit this file. I probably should have. Oh, that's extra work I could have done in the past. And why do extra work in the past when you can do extra work in the present? There's 1, 2, 3 points on the circle. And I draw a line. Yeah. So look at that. Actually, I'm not going to do it. Look at that. Let's do a dimension on this. Let's just go 10. That's everything. All right, finish sketch. Yeah, that's really all there is to it. Extrude, symmetric. Let's look at the body. Hey, there's a body there. No, there's not. Haha! So now I have my right side view and I have my top side view. Now I just need to do my front side view. And it should be pretty darn close, so I shouldn't really need to do too much work to it, but we'll see. We shall see. All right, let's turn off this sketch plane. Let's add another canvas, NEM files, USS Ares. We'll do the same thing. We'll scale this up. This is my side right here. Click OK, right click, calibrate. Oh shoot, I don't know what this is supposed to be. Oh no, I do. It's there. So whatever size this is, so this is from here. Heyo.
Hey, who are you talking to?
Myself, because
You better go home. You got a baby.
well, I know I'm making this video right now. You want to say hi to the people in video land?
Kidding you. Hi.
Here's you'd have to step down a
Who
little
is
bit.
it? Hey.
These are all my engineers.
Oh, all right. Nice to meet you. How many engineers we got?
48 this year.
48 engineers. Way to go. We need you.
And you might be catching some of the juniors and seniors. Some of them watch my videos too.
Way to go. We need you. Hey, take some ceramics.
You should. Pretty cool guy. Whoa! Lost the camera.
Uh-oh.
I hit the that's so hard the camera cover came over. Look at that. Another visitor on another video. We're going to collect them all slowly. All right, so 5.34 inches is how tall the Ares is. Oh, actually, no, it's taller than that. It is not extrude, inspect. From there to there. Can you give me the true height? Length, distance. No. Alright, so I'm going to create a sketch on this side then. I will draw a line out. And now let's inspect this. From there to there. Straight line. It's not a straight line, dude. Alright, let's do it this way. Alright, so that is 0.624 inches for the height. It's good that I wrote that down, because that is actually not what I was about to do. I was about to say it's a 3-inch tall thing, but it's not. So let's delete this sketch. I don't need this. And we're going to edit this sketch proper. So let's go. Technically this is the back, but who cares? Let's calibrate it. And so I'm going to click calibrate, top of this shape, to the bottom of this shape, which is right about here-ish. That's 0.624. That should get me most of the way, and then I can edit further if need be. Let's see. Dang, that's pretty freaking good, dude. That's pretty freaking good. It's almost like dude, I should teach engineering. That'd be cool. Alright, sweet. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna hide the bodies. And we are hide the bodies. And we're gonna draw on this. No, again. Let me get this top circle done first. Circle here, here, and here. Unfocus a little bit. And here line, okay. Trim the center. Let's do the circle around it. We'll extrude that. Symmetric. Turn on the bodies. And there we go. Look at that. Look at that. How exciting. Oh, I have a little straddler. Nothing I can't fix though. All doable stuff. So honestly, I might just keep it. Alright. The last thing is we are going to save this. And then we are going to insert, we're going to make a new design. We're going to insert this shape as a component. Insert, where's insert component? Did they move it? What? DXF mesh, manufacturer trace. Oh my god. Oh no, assemble, insert component. You would think it'd be under the insert. Cool, so that's called the USS Ares. So I'm gonna insert my rocket ship from my personal portfolio. And then I'm going to insert another component. This component can be found in the ID 2025-2026 folder under all project files located here. And, oh, what? Give me 1 second to fix this. Air compressor fitting filled. Copy. NEM files 2025-2026. Copy. Alright, copy complete. So there should be the file there now. So let's take a look. Insert component. 2025-2026. All located here. What? Why is it not inserting that component? Louise Belcher, you're in trouble. Drink some cranberry juice. Oh, that's why. Because it's not in that folder. Mr. Owens put it in the wrong spot. He didn't listen to what he normally does, what he tells his students to do. So it's in 2025, 2026, and then here it is. I clicked all project files located here, and then double clicked it to be in there. It will be under there. You will click all project files located here, and it will be found here. Right now, it's not. It's right there. Now, do not edit this file at all. This is a file that everybody shares. If you edit it, you are going to mess it up for everybody. And then I'm going to make fun of you. Here is the fitting, and all you gotta do is just find a way for the fitting to fit. And I'm going to center it like this. Center it this way. Oh, don't crash on me. There we go. All right. Oh, I'm moving too fast for it. It might crash. I hope it doesn't. I'm so close. I'm so close. Come on. Pray to the engineering gods. All right, that's the top. We overshot it. Just the side once. Come on, 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 come on. Let's do it. There we go. All right, I'm going to rotate this. And then, do I even wrist? I might honestly just save it. I might honestly just click OK. Let's wrist it. Let's do one more. I want this fitting to be jointed to this. Oh, then why am I trying to center it here? Because I can't join it yet. Mr. Owens isn't thinking. He's stressed out because his wife is calling, and he knows that she's waiting for him to eat. So I'm going to click OK. Hopefully that works. Perfect. And then I should be able to still grab it and move it because it's not grounded to parent. Ooh, there's a lot of polygons here. I think that's why it's stressing out. So I'm going to click under Assemble, Joint, and just do a rigid joint and attach it to the ship. But I'm going to do that when it's not stressed out and I'm not stressed out. So you'll just do that. You'll save in your personal portfolio, and we'll touch that later. See, it's jumping too much. So just attach the fitting to your spaceship or plane, and we'll be good. Fitted Ares. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it there because it's gonna crash on me. So hopefully this was helpful for you, and I will see you on Monday.